One thing about Twitter that I don't like is the notification tab. Here we get all these likes, and when you have thousands and thousands of tweets, then the likes pretty much take up all your notification tab. And also, well, they have this mentions tab, but sometimes it doesn't show all the notifications that you want. So in this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you could check the DOM and remove with JavaScript all the likes notifications. All right, so first thing, let's inspect the code. We want to see what's the difference when you have a like and where it's a retweet. And as you can see here, we can kind of get the like, see this heart icon, and I think we can use this. So we're going to target this heart and then pretty much remove its parent from the DOM, or at least hide it, okay? All right, let's see. So I'm going to use the inspector here, and let's see what's going on here. You can see we have all these divs, which are pretty much the boxes. All right, and I want to see what's the difference between, you see this is the retweet and this is a like. All right, and let's go down in the tree. Okay, so we have an article. They kind of have the same classes. All right, so we have another one now. Let me open this again. And I think if we go down and find, yeah. So this part, let's see. If we go on this side, pretty much the same classes. So let's go one level deeper. Oh, come on. It broke again. So go down fast. So for the SVG, I think they have different classes. So let me see. Kind of want this one now. Okay, fast article, div. Yeah, SVG. All right, you can see that this SVG has RDM, this class, which is not appearing in this SVG. So I think we can target that and then go 1, 2, 3, 4 parents. Well, the fourth parent up, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can hide this. All right, let me clear the console here. Maybe zoom in a bit so you can see better. So we want all the hearts. Document query selector, all. And I want the SVG which has this class. All right, let's see, hearts. Okay, we have 12, good. And now we can kind of go for each heart. And I want heart, and we had 4 parents, right? Parent node dot parent node. We can go to the parent with this property, parent node and parent node. So 4 parents dot style dot display equals none. Okay, and now if we run this, we should see the hearts disappearing. Well, the notifications, look at that. Pretty nice. Well, actually, it removed the ones which were in the view. As far as I know, Twitter will load the notifications and also the tweets as you scroll down. All right. This kind of does it. Well, actually, we have to rerun this every time. This is why I added it in a let. So I can set the hearts again, and then I can run the for each again. But yeah, it kind of does the job, which is good. Well, let me clear the console here. Awesome. So now we only have the replies, the follows, the retweets, right? Which is awesome. The only thing which is missing now, and which is a challenge for you, is how could we run this code, let's say every second, and it will remove all the hearts that are coming in, all the likes that are coming in. I give you 2 hints. Well, actually it's 2 possible ways to do it. You can either create in the console a set interval and every second run this code, or you can create a Google Chrome extension, or well, I think Firefox has a store, I forgot how it's called, and you can place the code there. And every time you are in this tab, it will run that code. So yeah, this will be a nice challenge for you. Let me know in the comments below if you did it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you like this kind of stuff when we inspect the code and change stuff on the pages. And I guess we can do it again. Alright, see you in the next one. Bye!